coming around for the main event.
Some of our cars will make it in, some of them will not. A couple of them aren't moving already. Most of them are making the rounds. We're going to take them around to the south end of the arena and bring them in onto the south end. Well, looks like I got one car not coming in. No, one more is coming, and that's moving. Number 50 is moving. They're starting with their nose against the rail. Coming inside. Number 007, Devin Miller. Number 14. Eric Renabaugh. Number 33, Josh Coudray. Number 112, Jordan Martin. Number 74, Tristan Wright. Number 77, Alex Howell. Number 10X, Justin Bieber. Number 17, Ford Martin. Number 71 is Marty Million. Number 79 is Kenny Hill. Number 18, Randy Walworth. Number 69X, Chris Zamora. Number 50, Robert Lang. Number 59, Connor Ross. All or none may or may not be appearing in the final heat. We're going to do them all in here, get them lined up. Nose in, nose out. One watermelon out there in the middle of it's worth $200. Fourth place takes home $400 tonight. Third place, $750. Second place, Crossroads Diesel Service puts up $1,500. And first place tonight, $3,000. Remax Horizon Realty trophies for third, second, and first place tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the one you came to watch. Let's count them down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your time is up. Break your flag. 007, break your flag. Car number 74. 77, you have 10 seconds to make a hit. Stop your cars.
Oh, there was a piece of the
Okay, red flag by the judges. All 5 cars get a new 90-second clock. We down to 4 cars?
Yeah. Tristan lost the wheel.
Down to 4.
He's sitting on the back of his car now. Alex is just stuck to Tristan. Yeah. I bet Alex will drive out of that.
All right, we're down to 4 cars. We pay 4 places. Green car's out, the green car. Ford is out, the Frankenstein car. Okay. Gentlemen, all 4 cars left are in the money, and all 4 cars left have a new 90-second clock.
Oh, it's amazing.
On the green flag. Okay, drivers, let's go! Car number 17 is Bo Gordon. Car number 15 is Robert Lang. Car number 10X, that's a black car over there, is Justin Bieber. And car number 112 is George Martin. Those are our last 4 hours. Broke that one loose. Number 17, you have 15 seconds to initiate a hit. Go Gordon, you better hit somebody. Robert Lang puts in another lick. Car number 17, your time is up. Make your flag. Car number 17 is our 4th place winner in the money tonight. That's Bo Gordon in 4th place. Robert Lang still running. Justin Bieber in 10X, in there somewhere in the file. Car number 112, you have 25 seconds to make a hit. Car number 112, you have 25 seconds to make a hit. Car number 112, you have 5 seconds to initiate a hit. Car number 112, your time is up for 3rd place. That's another money tonight. George Martin in 3rd place tonight. Car number 10X, you have 15 seconds to initiate a hit on a car that has a flag. Car number 112.
Like
Car number 10X.
Gonna get it.
You have 5 seconds to initiate a hit. 10X, your time is up. And you are in our second place money tonight. And car number 50, Robert Lang. That's the grand prize tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, did you enjoy our show tonight? Fourth place tonight in the main event, Bo Gordon will take home a check for $400 courtesy of Laramie Range Water Treatment and Plumbing. Third place tonight, car number 112, Jordan Martin wins $750 courtesy of Cooper's Arena and the trophy. In second place tonight, car number 10X, Justin Bieber wins $1,500 and a trophy provided by Crossroads Diesel Service. And the Wyoming State Fair, Wyoming Douglas Volunteer Fire Department Demolition Derby winner tonight, taking home the money again, once again this year. First place, car number 50, Robert Lang, $3,000 and a trophy courtesy of